Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 6. Ordering main entree.
Have you had enough time to look over the menu?
Yes, we are almost ready to order.
Let me remind you of the specials of the day, which are posted on the board.
Oh, that all sounds so good. Can we get the sauce on the side?
Yes, we would be happy to prepare the food to meet your special needs.
I was wondering if you have any vegetarian choices.
Yes, the roasted vegetable salad is good, and the portobello mushroom burger is also a good choice.
I think that I would like to order the broccoli noodles, please.
That is an excellent choice, and I could bring you your salads now or bring them with your dinner.
Please bring our salads to us now. We are hungry.
Are you ready to order?
I think that we have a pretty good idea of what we would like to order.
Let me tell you about the specials of the day, which are chicken in a wine sauce with capers, and grilled garlic shrimp.
I was wondering if the chef could leave off the sauce.
The chef would be happy to accommodate your special requests.
I am a vegetarian. Do you have any vegetarian selections?
You could choose the roasted vegetable and garlic pizza or the goat cheese and candied walnut salad.
I think that we will split the roasted vegetable and garlic pizza.
That is a good selection, and I can bring your salads now or serve them with your entree.
You can bring us our salads when you bring us our entree.
Would you like to order now?
This all looks good. I think we know what we want.
Please let me point out the chef's special, which is blackened catfish.
I am dieting, so could the chef prepare the food with no extra sauce?
We are always happy to adjust our cooking to meet your needs.
Could you tell me if there are any entrees that are vegetarian?
The cashew broccoli noodles or the cheese and veggie enchiladas would be an excellent choice.
I am going to go with the grilled shrimp with garlic sauce. I would like the garlic sauce on the side.
Would you like your salad brought to you with your entree, or would you like it served now?
You can serve our salads with our dinner.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.